Today, me and Richie will do a toy review. So right now, there's a new toy in Miniso, and we bought some toys. So we're gonna do a review. So we bought all the plushie. All types of plushie. Oh wow, it's so nice. So guys, I'm a sucker for Batman because the nose are so cute. So these are $12.99 in Miniso. So we got them in all the colors. Are you excited, Luigi? You see? So I got red, orange, pink, blue. Oh, the blue. Blue! Oh my god! This is your favorite one. And we also got the kitchen plushies. Yay! So this one is for Luigi's bag. And the blue one, I'm thinking where I will put it. But the pink one, I think I want to put it in my work bag. So look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, my assistant is so hyper. Yeah. I want to put this in my work bag. And then this is this is daddy's. Why are you so naughty? See? Oh my god, this is so in love. You like it? Oh no. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours now. Everything's so cute. And the plushies. I'm so obsessed. So, okay. Get it out! Bye! Thank you for watching. God bless you.